Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating simple causes. Confirm the exact Instagram username or email and type slowly to avoid spaces. Make sure you have a stable connection. Switch Wi-Fi off and on or use cellular to rule out network issues. Once done, update the Instagram app and restart your phone so cached errors clear. Then clear app cache or data if available. These steps remove most transient login failures and prepare you for the account recovery process if a password is really wrong. You now move into recovery. Tap Forgot Password and select the method tied to your account, email, SMS, or Facebook. Instagram will send a reset link or code. Check spam and any alternate emails because messages often land there. If you don't receive anything, try logging in via a browser on desktop and disable VPNs or proxies since those can block messages. Make sure to use the most recent code and avoid requesting multiple codes at once. Patience prevents expired links from causing confusion. Once you regain access, immediately set a strong, unique password and save it in a password manager so you won't reuse weak credentials. Make sure to log out sessions on other devices and enable two-factor authentication for ongoing protection. Record backup codes in a safe place. If you still can't access the account or suspect a hack, use the Need More Help flow, secure the linked email password, and follow Instagram's verification steps. This escalates recovery and prevents further unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.